Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can create a heat map like this. Okay, so here we'll choose some of the continent, and then on top of the continent, we'll draw this type of heat map, and after that, we'll put some labels, and after that, we can also put some labels. What is the total number of cases? So in this way, we can actually organize our data set very nicely way, and it is very meaningful, and if anybody check this thing, he or she definitely like it. So that's all we'll make this thing in this tutorial. So let's get it started. But before going to the main video section, I will request you, if you are new to our channel, or still if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. And then let's get started. At first, create a worksheet. We can create a worksheet by clicking this icon, right? We created many times before. So just click there and it will create a blank worksheet. So just rename it to heat map. So I'm typing heat and map. So once I hit type this thing, I hit the enter key of my keyboard, and the sheet name will be heat map. Now we need to create the heat map. So we need some data, right? This side we have different dimensions and measures. Suppose we want to use the continent. Okay, so I can choose continent, and I can double click, and the continent data will be there. I mean, continent name of the continents, it will be here, and right now there is no value. So suppose we want to show the total number of cases of each continent. So I can double click on top of it, and that data will be loaded over there. So in this way, we can see that it is loaded the continent name and the data set. Okay, so based on that, we want to create the heat map. So we have to go this right top corner, show me. So if you click show me, then this type of thing will be visible. If it is visible, so what you have to do, you have to just click there and it will show like this way. Okay, so here you will find the heat map. This is the heat map thing. So just click there and it will turn this type of thing. Once we clicked on the heat map, it just like this. But using this type of thing is very difficult to understand, right? So we need to format this thing. So if we check here, like the total number of cases, it turned into size, right? So it is using size. So what we can do, we can do one thing. We can again pull this total cases in top of the color, and then it will change the color. Okay, so right now there are multiple colors, and if you want to change this color to other color, you can also do. So we will come this later. Now here this map actually is showing only partially of this block, right? So we can do we can make it to interview, and then it will be distributed like this way. But still this thing is not easily visualized, right? So what we can do, we can drag this content and put it in the under the marks, and it will show like this way. Now it looks very nice, and it is covered the entire like space interview. So it looks very nice. We can actually disable this show me by clicking there, it will go like this way. Okay, and here there is a small scale that what is the meaning of deep blue color and light blue color, that is the meaning. And also it is showing like this way. But still this heat map still is not, like, I will say it's not good, right? We can put some label over there so that we can understand what is the meaning of each block. So what we can do, we can put the continent, and then we can put it on top of the label, and now labels will be appeared on top of each, right? So here we are seeing the labels are there. So this type of thing is looking nice. And also if we want to change see what is the total percentage of whole thing, we can also do, or what is the total number of cases, we can also check. So for that case, we have to drag this 12 cases, and we have to put on top the label, and the total number of cases, it will be visible on top of each continent. Okay, now if you want to change this color, you can also do. So to change the color, what you have to do, we have to come this color section, just click there, and it will pop up this type of small window. From here you will see edit colors. Just click over there, and then it will show the color selection tool. And from here you can actually click there, and you can see there are many default colors are there. So I can actually pick any of the color, and you can also pick any of the color based on your business need or business requirement. So I'm checking this thing like orange blue, this one. So just select it, and then the color will be like this way. It will be faded in this way, and it will be like this way actually, basically. And you can also adjust this thing based on your requirement. So here we are seeing two values. These two values are there. So based on that, we can do that. And there is also advanced thing. You can also make it more complicated or more nicer. So that's all. Just click on apply and it will change the heat map color, and then finally click OK, and it will look like this way. So that's all. By using Tableau, you can create this heat map within very few minutes, and you can also customize based on your own requirement. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.